This is Rimba number 4 where we are staying, and I want to give you guys a quick house tour, a 1-bedroom house tour. So follow me along. This is the bedroom and it has a very nice view, as you can see. Straight from the bed, you wake up with a very beautiful view that's outside at the balcony. And here the dressing table, the blow dryer, something to like a rug. Yes, honey. Yeah, and this is the safe place and also where you can hang your clothes. But I'm that kind of person who doesn't unpack. I just leave my things in the suitcase. Okay, this is the washroom. This is an outdoor shower. Outdoor shower. On top there it's open. And this is the indoor shower. This house it looks like. And then the sink is over there. The toilet. Right from the wardrobe and the bathroom, we have this, the living room. Very cute, well organized. Very cute. So here on the left, you have your microwave there. You have big fridge, very spacious. And then here we have the sink area. I like the art on this wall. And then storage place. They have cups and everything you need. Yes. A cooker. This is how it looks. And then the kettle. Yes. And then we have a TV, very beautiful. Furniture over there. This is a small dining area where you can come and you can relax from here, do your work, or you can eat from here as you have the beautiful view. It's so pretty, guys. We have a lampshade over there, this beautiful couch and this beautiful rug. And then guys, this is the balcony. Let me take you out to show you. Can you hear that? It feels like we're in a jungle. Actually, we are in a jungle. It's so serene. So these are the resting chairs. And then we have a table and chairs here, and that directly is our bedroom. That's the view. That's another cabin over there. That's another cabin. And it's so nice. We can see like there is also another cabin there, but right now you cannot see it. And then that's the path where we go to like the swimming pool and all that place. So right now, guys, that's all for the tour of where we are staying. It was fast, but yeah. Oh, there is a fan as well outside.